Welcome back to the channel, guys. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to do a scheduled call on WhatsApp. Okay, first of all, we can go into WhatsApp and then we can go to the call section. Then you can tap on the plus in the top right hand corner and select schedule call. Then you can give your call a name and a description. And choose a time. You can include an end time. I'm going to leave it like that. And then also the call type I'm going to change to voice. And then you can select next. You can also add this to your calendar. I'm going to send it to my contact. And this is the notification your contact will get. You will also get a reminder when the call has started.